Come on, let's go on an adventure! The sun is just starting to wake up over the African plains. A big, round ball of orange clay rises into a sky painted with purples and pinks. Our storybook world, ready to be explored. Every tree, every blade of grass, every rock is shaped by hand, full of charm and personality. Our safari jeep, painted in bright stripes, bounces over the lumpy clay earth as we climb inside. The engine putt-putts, and a gentle drumbeat starts, the heartbeat of Africa. The world outside is a patchwork of greens, browns, and golds, shimmering in the morning light. Our guide, with a wide-brimmed hat and a warm smile, points ahead, inviting us to look closer. A tiny clay chameleon blinks at us from a leaf, changing colors, while a flock of bright blue birds swoops joyfully overhead. The music swells with the plucking of a kalimba, and the land hums a welcome song. This isn't just a trip, it's the first page of our grand claymation safari. The world is waking up and we're here to see its secrets unfold. Let's begin our journey into wonder. We drive deep into the heart of the savannah, where the land stretches out like a golden blanket. The grass glows in the sun, a blend of yellow, orange, and brown clay. Flat-topped acacia trees dot the landscape, their leaves perfectly placed, offering shade to resting animals. The sky is a brilliant blue, smiling down on us. Our jeep bumps along, and every bounce reveals something new. A family of meerkats pops up, their heads turning in unison before they vanish underground. In the distance, hazy purple mountains form a soft, rounded backdrop. A gentle wind rustles the clay grass, making it sway in a mesmerizing dance. We pass a towering termite mound like a sandcastle built by tiny, unseen workers. Nearby, a lone baobab tree stands ancient and proud, its thick trunk holding the secrets of the land. The music is spacious and calm, echoing the vastness around us. Out here, the beauty and peace of the savannah fill us with awe. Our guide stops the jeep and points. A family of elephants appears, sculpted from wrinkled gray clay. The matriarch leads, her ears flapping gently, while a playful baby stumbles at her side. They move with slow grace, sharing fruit from a marula tree in a tender moment. Not far away, a herd of zebras grazes, their black and white stripes forming a living, moving pattern. Some swish their tails, others nuzzle, and suddenly, with a sharp call, the herd gallops away, a river of stripes blurring across the plains. The music shifts from deep marimba notes to lively drums and shakers, capturing the energy of the scene. We watch in awe as elephants and zebras show us the wild spirit of the savannah. It's a breathtaking display of freedom and family. The magic of the clay world comes alive before our eyes. Our adventure leads us to a rocky kopje, a throne room for the king of the savannah. Stretched out on the highest sun-warmed rock is Leo the lion, his mane a glorious crown of dark and golden clay. He rests with half-closed eyes, aware of everything, his huge paws draped over the edge. Leo yawns wide, showing off his formidable teeth, then stretches with relaxed confidence. All the animals give the kopje a wide berth. This is Leo's domain. We watch from a safe distance, feeling the power that radiates from him. As the sun climbs, Leo stands tall and lets out a mighty roar, a sound that shakes the clay world and echoes across the plains. The music swells, matching the intensity of the moment. Leo's roar is both terrifying and beautiful, a declaration of his rule. Having seen the king, our adventure feels even more complete. The savannah's wild heart beats strong. We move on, inspired by the majesty we've witnessed. As the afternoon sun blazes, we reach the watering hole, the community center of the wild. A shimmering blue pool surrounded by muddy banks draws animals of every kind. Gigi the giraffe awkwardly spreads her legs to drink, her long neck dipping down, eyes always watchful. Zebras and gazelles gather, stripes and horns reflected in the water, while a grumpy warthog kneels for a muddy sip. Birds splash, a hippo grunts, and the air is alive with the sounds of life. The music becomes a lively symphony of drums, flutes, and percussion, echoing the busy scene. Predator and prey share a peaceful truce, united by the need for water. The watering hole is a celebration of life and connection. Here, every creature plays a part in the great circle of the savannah. The ritual of gathering at the water's edge is as old as the land itself. Our claymation safari reveals a world where every creature and landscape is connected. Elephants create grasslands, lions keep herds healthy, and even termites enrich the soil. Each has a vital role. The music softens, reminding us of the beauty and fragility of this world. The real wild places of Africa face threats, shrinking habitats, vanishing water, and the need for protection. Just as the clay artist shapes every detail, nature has crafted this masterpiece over millions of years. This world is a treasure for all of us, full of wonders beyond imagination. Our safari teaches us what we stand to lose if we're not careful. The vibrant world we've seen depends on us to be its guardians. By appreciating and understanding these animals, we take the first step toward protecting them. The adventure is amazing, but the responsibility is even greater. Let's work to ensure future generations can experience this wonder in stories and in life. As the day ends, the orange clay sun sinks, painting the sky with reds and purples. The world glows in the warm light, acacia trees silhouetted against the sunset. Our jeep finds a ridge, the perfect spot to reflect on all we've seen. The music softens, a lullaby for the sleeping savannah. We remember the elephants, zebras, Leo the lion, and the bustling watering hole. This claymation world has felt so real it's hard to say goodbye. But the adventure doesn't end. The spirit of the wild continues even as night falls. The story of the savannah goes on, filled with new sounds and unseen wonders. Let's carry this sense of wonder and responsibility with us, inspired to protect the real wild places. Our claymation safari ends, but the adventure of being a guardian of our planet has just begun.